The first step in the scheduling process is creating templates. Templates are schedules that you create and save, and then you can use to build schedules in the future. You can create templates for a day or for a week, and we'll show you how to do both. So the first thing we're going to do is go to template scheduling under the scheduling folder, and you can search for that through either of the search areas on the dashboard. And we're going to create a day template first. So we're going to choose a name. And after you choose a name, you're going to save. Once it's saved, you can go to add a shift, and you can just begin adding shifts. So you're going to put the start time and the end time, and then you're going to choose the job that you'd like this shift to be for, so cook. And then I'm going to leave the employee unfilled. You can choose an employee name if you'd like, but I'm going to leave it unfilled so that I can use this template for different days, no matter what employee is working. I'm going to add another shift. I'm going to make this shift for a server, and I'm going to leave that unfilled as well. And I'm going to make this shift for a host, and I'm going to leave that unfilled. So once I've gotten all the shifts that I'd like, and you can add as many as you'd like, I'm going to go to save and close. And this says no data available because we need to check the show unfilled shift box, and then you'll see the shifts that you've just created for this template. Once you see that everything is good in the shifts you've created, you click save, and then you'll click cancel, and you'll see your template listed in the daily templates. If you want to create a week template, you click on that button. Again, you're going to name it and save before you start adding shifts, and then you can start adding shifts. So you're going to pick the day of the week that you'd like to add the shift to. Then you'll do the start and the end time. And the job. And again, I'm going to leave this unfilled so that I can use this week template for any week that I would like, no matter what employees are working. Let's make this for Sunday. And we'll make that for a host. And we'll make this for cook. And again, you'll just continue through until you've filled all the days and gotten your schedule for the whole week fixed, and then you can do save and close. And again, we're going to click on show unfilled shifts so that we can see the shifts we've made. And it shows on Tuesday the shift we made and the 2 shifts for Sunday, and then as you fill in the week, you'll see all of the other shifts. If you're happy with all of the shifts you've added, you can click save. And then click cancel. And you'll see week 3 has been added to the weekly templates. And these templates will be available for you to use when you schedule in the future. So that is how you create daily and weekly schedule templates.